You know what? You can always remove the back side of the baseboard if you don't like it to be too thick in order for your journal don't become too bulky. And today we are doing collage cards and curiosity shop that is Dephemberember for day 16. It is always nice to work in this amazing journal. I love the way it's coming out. And as you can see, Dephemberember runs through December. So I'm completing it today, and I have two more episodes to post here in my channel. So as you can see here, for the curiosity shop, I made a shop for animals. And in other words, animals can go inside this shop and buy ice cream. They can buy nice lemonade and snacks. In another words, is an amazing shop from my imagination and creativity. I'm using also a recycled stamp that you can see there, and I'm making these lines over here so it's gonna give the sense of a real postcard. I had this bag. This bag has been in my stash forever, and it's called Baseboards Thin Holes. Is the ideology 40 pieces, and it's called Baseboards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add three elements from this bag to the junk journal for this prompt. And I'm going to try to have them like a focal point in each of the pages. Then I remember having this beautiful ephemera from Dephemberember 2022, which I am very inspired to use inside this journal 2024 because it's related with a curiosity shop in which two raccoons visited the shop and got a pistachio ice cream. So as you can see here, I'm covering a whole page of my journal with this amazing ephemera. And inside of this, I can place papers, I can save cards, I can save notes, and also I can journal inside them. Now I'm going to place another of the baseboards to embellish the pages and also to give them a little bit of relief. And as you can see here, for this prompt, I am making one, two, three, actually four pages. I was so inspired and I really love it. And I'm also getting, all my Dephemberember 2022 out because I used to have them inside a box. I'm going to show you the box in the next video so you can see them. And I remember this ephemera made out of a stencil. So I remember using a cardstock from a shoebox and making this stencil. It looks like bubbles from the ocean, so I was so inspired also at that moment that I made this booklet with my own stencil because I wanted to have this booklet inside Dephemberember 2024. I picked this beautiful memory I have here, and I want to have them in the way that I can see all the cover. So I don't want to place glue on the back of the cover. I just want to have it in the way that I can see the whole stencil, and in this way the whole ocean with my fish in there. So I choose a page that is completely yellow and empty, and I think that the contrasting color with the yellow and blues and turquoise, they're gonna look very, very nice in my journal. This is actually one of the additions for today's episode in which I'm making college postcards and curiosity shop for day 16. For tomorrow, we're going to have envelope flip and secret love letter, and then mixed media tags and urban graffiti, and that's going to be the end of the Dephemberember. So I'm planning to make a flip through of the whole journal in order for you to see the 18 days of Dephemberember 2024 only in one video. Leave me a thumbs up. Also, you can always subscribe to my channel hitting the picture here at the end of the video, and I'm going to leave you two more interesting videos that you can go ahead and watch them right now. I'll see you soon. I see you actually tomorrow. Bye friends. Bye. Take care.